Okay, so before we start the video, make sure on YouTube, if you're on YouTube, click on settings and select the best quality for the viewing experience. Make it full HD. Okay, so in this video, we will see how we can do advanced search with your existing Q series camera, first generation camera with NVR PRN. So first and foremost, log into your camera. After that, make sure your camera focus is correct. Adjust all the focus correctly. Make sure your image settings are okay. Image is looking clear. After that, go to event, then select motion detection, then turn on motion detection. Sensitivity, you can keep it as it is. Size, minimum and maximum size. What is the minimum size you want to detect? So minimum size is the blue color box. If anything smaller than the blue box will be ignored. So you can keep it as it is, or you can slightly reduce the minimum size to detect more smaller objects. So this depends on the scene. Okay. Now maximum, you can also leave it as it is. Then detection area. Now you have to draw the detection areas where the camera will capture the objects. So you use your mouse to click and draw the line. So I have drawn like this, then I'm also drawing another line. Let's say you want to delete, right click on the zone, right click and then delete. So now I'm going to draw a zone for the entire camera, the mainly the door entrance. I want to know who is the first person to enter, who the last person to enter. Here schedule, make always as it is, then click OK. After this, then you switch to the NVR web page, log into the NVR, then add the camera. So in my NVR, I have to add, maybe you have already added in your NVR, so no need to do anything. So I will just add this camera inside my NVR. Camera number one, currently it is available. So I'm going to delete camera one and add this the Q series camera in camera number one, channel one. Click auto, it will search and then I can add it. Anyhow, you have already added, so you don't have to worry. So I'm going to add it here. Then my camera IP is 189, so I select it, enter the password, then click connection test, and then I can add. All right, so once you have added, click OK to save it. And after this, you go to the menu again. In the menu, select event, then select camera event. Okay. Then check MD. Under MD, make it on. All right. So here, if you want to make it only for one camera, you can make it on for one, or I'm selecting all the events to be on. Camera event on. Smart search also must be on. Don't forget that. Motion detection should be on. Camera event you can keep on, and smart search that also should be on. Camera event is optional, but motion detection and smart search must be on for sure. Okay, after this here also you can check whatever is your current setting, you can leave it as it is. This is related to recording. You can skip it. If any issues, we'll come back to that later. Okay, now after this, we have to go to SSM. SSM is where we are planning to do the advanced search. So I have checked, it is already, the camera is already in the NVR and in the SSM. So now I will proceed. I will just show you that camera which I am trying to do advanced search. So I'll drag and drop. Yeah, this is the third camera. This is the one. Okay, now how to do advanced search? Click on, make sure all the settings are okay. Motion detection and all that is done for this camera. Okay. After this, go to SSM, then select, click on the plus button on the top, the tabs, click plus button, and then select advanced search. After you do this, then click Smart search. Let me show you again. Let me close and show you again. Click on plus, advanced search, then select smart search, then drag that particular camera. I just added this camera and it is already available. Recording is already started. Now click on the box on the top left, the square box, the first one. Select and draw the box over the door and select motion detection. Okay, then click search on the top right and all the results are there. Whenever the events occurred, it will directly take you there. So here when I click on the second event, the camera is picked up, there is a motion occurring in that area at that particular time. So it will filter those events for you to quickly do investigation. So how you do this? Just click on the rectangular box or the square box and draw over that area. And then you can do this. So here I'm just showing you, make sure smart search is on, motion detection is on, camera events, you can keep it on. Then when you come back here, camera events is optional, but motion and smart search should be on. Under advanced search, click on smart search. Then you draw the box, the first one, and then click search, and then all the search results are available. Make sure you click advanced search and motion detection. So that's all from me for this video. If you have any further questions, you can ask me. Just make sure the camera side you have turned on motion detection, and on the NVR side you have activated it. This recording part you don't have to touch because it's related to recording. Uh, if any further issues, just let us know and we'll get back to you.